Alright, this is a quick, like, what's in the box type video for a Millermatic 142. This is a newer model. It's got the auto weld function. Just figured I'd show you guys what all is included with it. It's a pretty hefty price tag for a 115 volt welder, but obviously you're gonna get Miller quality with it, so that's kind of the reason I went with it. Let's see, it comes with some Hobart wire, some nozzles, the clamp, the hose for the argon, the regulator for it. If I can get this out with one hand. Probably can. Oh, there we go. Kinda. Okay. Nice. Nice, heavy, high quality stuff. Plug-in cord for it. There's the gun. Pretty standard Miller gun. Let's see. And then the unit itself. Let's see if I can get it out. Hey. Ooh. Okay. That's your tap for your argon. It's kind of nice. It actually came with a gauge set instead of just the kind of on-off ones the cheap ones give you. Nice laminated quick reference for all your charts, wire size, steel gauge. I'll pause the video and I'll hook up the gun and the ground wire, and I'll actually power it on and show you what the screens look like. Alright, got it all set up, ready to run. Real simple. You just take the nut and the spring and the washer off, put your reel on, feed it in, get a little swing down door, you feed it into the nozzle. When you assemble it, you put this nozzle in, push it all the way till it stops, then you just tighten it in with that. You just plug that one wire in. The ground wire was just rolled up in the case. All you got to do is put the 10 mil nut onto the clamp, and that's pretty much all there is for setup. They do give you the adapter to run the bigger spools in here, so that's nice. This is the screen setup. That's for auto set. That's your wire size and your gauge of metal, and of course you can go full manual. Not sure how high this goes, but 600, there you go. Alright, that's your voltage, that's your wire size, and this is what all it comes with out of the box. And this again is the 142 with the auto set. Thanks for watching.